It's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, external memory control, hands-free liftgate, auto-dimming mirrors, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection reports GM has carved out good space inside a tidy package and fitted the Terrain with very comfortable front bucket seats and a rear bench with enough support. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.